In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar app for productivity. 2026. Step by step. Let's start by setting up a clean structure. Open Google Calendar on your computer or phone. On the left, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main parts of your life. Things like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color so your week is visually organized at a glance. This makes it easy to spot where your time is going, and you can toggle calendars on and off to focus only on what matters right now. Next, fine-tune your default event settings so the app does more of the remembering for you. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, like 30 or 60 minutes. Set reminders, such as 10 minutes and 1 hour before, and pick the type of notification you want, either email or device pop-up. These defaults apply to new events, preventing missed tasks and saving you from setting alerts over and over. Now, time block your day instead of keeping a long to-do list. Create calendar blocks that match your real energy and priorities. For example, schedule 8 o'clock to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. Drag to adjust, add a brief buffer between sessions, and protect the blocks that move your goals forward. For anything you do on a cadence, make it recurring. Open an event and set it to repeat. Great candidates include weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Add an end date if needed. Recurring events automate your routine and reduce manual scheduling. Protect your attention with built-in tools. Add focus time to reserve heads-down work. It can automatically decline or limit meetings during that window. Use out of office when you're unavailable so invitations are declined for you. And turn tasks into time by using the tasks integration to place to-dos directly on your calendar. Keep everything in sync. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, sign in with the same account, and enable notifications. Connect Calendar with Gmail, so meeting invites and travel plans appear automatically. Link your preferred video platform like Zoom or Google Meet, so join links are attached and one tap away. Finally, use event descriptions to centralize context. Add the meeting agenda, notes, relevant links such as video rooms or documents, and a quick checklist. With details stored inside the event, you reduce searching, arrive prepared, and keep momentum throughout your day. Set up your categories, tune your defaults, and block tomorrow's priorities today. Your calendar will start working for you.